Hello, I'm Seth Johnson with Land to House. So in today's tiny house video, we're going to be installing the boxes for outlets and switches. So first thing I want to do is install two boxes for my outside light switches and my downstairs switches. So these boxes have screw holes on the side, because one of my least favorite things in life is when you go to plug in something or hit a light switch and the box moves or pushes into the wall. And that's whenever they have the nail holes on the box. That's why I got these. So whenever they're attached, you're not pushing that anywhere. So what I want to do on the front switches here is use the board. I'm going to put it between the studs. Use a joist holder on this side because it's hard to get to. And that way I can put my light switches down here, because I'm going to use rocker switches. And so that way it'll be nice to have them up and down. So let's get started. So the contrast between inside and outside is really bright today. So this is the edge of the wall next to the door, and I want my switches to be right in here. And so I'm just going to be using this joist holder right here just to hold that in place, because the two boards over here are just I can't get a nail through that hammer. So I'm going to take some 3-inch nails here and get this on. Let's see, and I got some 2-inch nails over, or 2.5-inch nails over here. Okay, so I got that board installed. Now it's time to attach these. So I got some 1 1/8 inch screws here I'll be using. Nice small ones. And just gonna plop a couple in here. Let's see. Find the right setting on this drill to not to put too much in here. So just inside the bathroom wall here, need to put one. Now this rocker switch is a single switch that is straight up and down, and so I'm going to put it here, and we won't have to worry about turning it sideways. For the upstairs lights, I want to have 3 lights. 3 sets of lights, LEDs. So I'm going to put my switch box here at the top of the stairs. That way, if you're upstairs, you can get to it. If you're downstairs, you can get to it fairly quickly. So now it's time to start installing the electrical outlets. So I know that I'm going to want one here, because I'm going to have a small refrigerator on this side. So let's put this one in. Now the kitchen space over here is going to have a couple of different outlets, but put one right here for now. And there will be cabinets around, so this right here will be underneath the cabinet. Okay, let me show you what we have so far. We've got our spots for the light switches. Over here we have outlet, and we've got outlet over here in the kitchen, and then one over here in the kitchen. Come down here, we've got an outlet for the refrigerator. Then come into bathroom. We've got one here for light switch, and then outlet over here. Come back out. We've got one over here, and the last one is right over here. So now let's go upstairs. Okay, now we're upstairs, and it's time to install some outlets up here. Now I've been going roughly 10 inches above the floor, or above the bottom plate down there. So I think I'll continue that up here. Make it look kind of uniform. Now let's take a look at all the upstairs boxes. So of course in the corner there is the light switch for the 3 rows of LED lights. There's that outlet in the middle. Then there's that one right there in the middle. Come around here, one in the middle there. And then over here at the window, I put this one on this side because I'll be putting a movable floor down in here. And so it'll be nice to be able to get to that. Well, that takes care of installing these plastic boxes in preparation for the outlets and switches and wiring. Very exciting stuff. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Seth Johnson with Land the House, and I will see you next time. Whoa, 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 back it up. So I was driving down the road about 2 weeks after installing these boxes, and it just hit me. The door is going to be opening this way and blocking these switches. So it'd be very annoying to have to go around the door, hit the light. So we'll just use this piece as a brace, and we'll install another one on the other side. So let's do that. Let's see here. Do I want this below or above this? I think above. Let's see what we got here. 13.5 inches. Let's cut that down. Much better. It would sure be annoying to have to move around that door every time you want to turn on or off a light. Well, got that done. At least I noticed it before everything was wired in. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. Hammer here.